What's up guys, Firewolf here, showing you guys the TORRAS Glass Go X tempered glass screen protector for your iPhone 16 Pro. We're going to go ahead and open this up and show you guys exactly how to install this screen protector. So this TORRAS Glass Go X comes in this beautiful black box, some nice shiny stuff on top which looks really nice. I'm really excited to see how this is going to look on the 16 Pro. Alright, so right on top we're going to have a nice envelope which I'll be opening soon. Now right inside we have an awesome insulation frame. Now this is TORRAS's 6th generation, making it extremely easy to install with just a pulling mechanism. All you have to do is just pull it and it will automatically install, which is awesome. For the inside we have a nice scraper in the back, which is essentially a microfiber squeegee to help with the installation. Now inside the envelope we're actually going to have a nice little surprise over here. We're actually going to have a second tempered glass screen protector, which increases the value of this Glass Go X tempered glass screen protector, which is awesome. I love the fact that it has the black lines around the screen here, making it completely edge to edge. Now this screen protector is also very strong with a rated 12 foot of drop tested protection, making this one of the best screen protectors out there. And the fact that you have the insulation frame here, you can always reuse the frame and have a secondary screen to share with your friends or family, or you keep it for yourself just in case. Now they're also going to give us 2 sets of screen protector accessories, followed by a user manual and an activation card. Alright, so the first thing we want to do here is we want to first power off our 16 Pro Max here. That way we can see exactly what's on the front of the screen here. Next, we're going to grab the wet wipe. And I love the fact that TORRAS gives us a little number indicator showing us which step is which. So we're just going to open this up. And then we're going to use the wet wipe here and we're going to pass it on the front screen. Next, we're going to grab the microfiber cloth here and we're going to dry off that wet residue. Alright, it should leave your screen looking nice and pristine. Next, we have step number 3 here, which is a dust absorber sticker here, followed by a dust removal sticker. However, I like to just use the step number 3 and just clean off any type of remaining dust here. So I like to go on top of the phone here, just all around, just to make sure everything is nice and ready. Alright, so ensuring there's no type of lint on top of the screen here, we're going to grab our insulation frame here, which already has the Glass Go X on the film itself. We're going to locate where it says top, make sure you line it up with the top of the phone, of course, and we're just going to place the frame right on top. And grabbing the frame here, we're just going to use the pulling mechanism here, and we're just going to pull it in. And you should see the screen protector starting to adhere, and you're just going to give that some time to fully adhere. Alright, so once it's nice and adhere, we can now remove the insulation frame. You can definitely start from the top. Alright, once we have the insulation frame here, you're going to notice some bubbles here. So if you do, all we have to do is going to grab the squeegee over here, and we're just going to squeegee these bubbles out very easily. Alright, it took less than a minute here, and as you can see, we're left with a perfect, beautiful insulation over here with no bubbles at all. And it almost looked like it's not even there, which is awesome. I want to take a closer look over here. You can kind of lightly tell here, but I love the fact that those black borders surrounding the screen protector makes it look very seamless. So let's go ahead and power on the phone here and test out the screen protector performance. Alright, now that we have the 16 Pro Max fully on, you can see that this screen protector covers the full 6.9-inch display, and it being transparent, you have full color visibility, which looks beautiful from any type of angle. And I love the fact that this screen protector feels really smooth. I mean, let me tell you guys, this feels 100 times better than the actual screen of your 16 Pro Max because it glides effortlessly and it feels ultra smooth. Now testing out the pinch and zoom here, it is buttery smooth, and I love how this screen protector feels. And taking a closer look here, it's really hard to tell, but you have a really nice thickness here, and this thickness is really nice as well. That's what helps get it that nice 12 feet of drop tested protection. Now this will be compatible for cases as well, because it does leave just a little bit of space here to fit cases as well. And you'll notice the top of the screen does have a little bit of a line here to allow some space on the earpiece as well. But overall, the screen protector feels really nice. Now, since we have an additional screen here, we can reuse this insulation frame very easily. All we have to do is remove the old plastic. And once you remove that, you're going to notice some holes on the top as well as the bottom here. So to align it on the insulation frame, all we have to do is ensure that TORRAS is facing inwards. And we're going to line up the bottom first here. You're just going to find a little groove over there and just place it inside. And then on the top here, we're going to line it up as well. And finally, you want to make sure you push these two inwards to make sure it's nice and locked in. And once I locked in here, we want to make sure the bottom is also locked in. And finally, we're going to grab the pulling mechanism here. We're going to lift it all the way up here, and we're also going to push it inward here to lock this one in place as well. And after that here, we're now ready to install it a second time, or you can store this here ready for that second installation. So guys, if you're looking for a really high quality tempered glass screen protector that gives you a nice ultra smooth glass with 9H plus rating and a 12 feet of drop tested protection, then I highly recommend the TORRAS Glass Go X screen protector, especially since you're getting an additional one for the price of one, which adds awesome value, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Firewolf out.